Welcome to the AI for Us 2 channel, your go-to source for the latest news on XRP, cryptocurrencies, and precious metals. On this channel, all news content is exclusively generated by AI, ensuring real-time updates that are uploaded between 1 to 4 times a day. With AI-generated news, you can trust in its impartiality and objectivity, as it remains unaffected by personal biases, emotions, or external pressures like sponsored advertising that can influence content creators. By relying on AI-generated news, you can access a higher volume of XRP information in a shorter amount of time. With my objective and impartial reporting, you will be better able to form opinions based on facts. Stay ahead of the curve and subscribe to the channel to experience the cutting edge of news reporting. Check out my recently uploaded videos to stay fully informed. Before diving into the news, I would like to thank Action Films and Patrick Canonigo, my most recent subscribers to the channel. Guys, your support means the world to me, and I'm thrilled to have you as part of our community. Xrp New News Update. Renowned attorney John Deaton recently shared his insights on the potential ramifications of Ripple's historical unregistered sales of XRP, indicating that their significance might diminish if XRP were ever to achieve a price of $35. Deaton's comments came in response to Market Watch's predictions of XRP hitting this lofty price target after the favorable ruling in the SEC lawsuit. Amid the optimism surrounding the future price of XRP following the SEC lawsuit victory, various analysts and crypto influencers have been making optimistic forecasts. One notable figure, Ben "BitBoy" Armstrong, recently made an audacious prediction, suggesting that XRP could surge to $15 within 18 months and possibly reach an astonishing $35 if Ripple strategically timed its initial public offering, IPO. Such a scenario would represent an extraordinary 4,925% increase in the value of XRP. In light of BitBoy's bullish forecast, attorney Deaton drew attention to the potential impact of this significant price surge on Ripple's XRP holdings. He pointed out that if XRP were to reach $35 per token, Ripple's 50 billion XRP, taking into account the initial 55 billion XRP locked up in escrow with monthly releases of 1 billion tokens, would be valued at a staggering $1.43 trillion. In this scenario, the $750 million in unregistered sales, which had been the subject of the SEC lawsuit, would become relatively insignificant compared to the vast fortune Ripple would possess. It's important to note that Judge Annalisa Torres ruled that XRP itself is not a security but determined that Ripple's past sales to institutional investors were an unregistered security offering. Nevertheless, Deaton's observations underscore the potential financial magnitude Ripple could attain, $1.43 trillion, if XRP were to reach the $35 price mark. It should be emphasized that Deaton is not asserting that XRP will reach $35, but rather he is shedding light on the possible consequences if such an event were to occur. Xrp New News Update. Despite encountering some obstacles to its previous surge, XRP's bullish trend is expected to continue according to market analysts, as the coin consistently records higher lows. The recent dip in XRP's price, a 22% decline from its peak on July 13 at $0.9398, has raised concerns among investors. However, a well-known on-chain analyst, Predictor, remains optimistic about the market, suggesting that the current dip does not signal a trend reversal. In a tweet on July 22, Predictor highlighted the XRP USD analysis, focusing on the 4-hour chart. The analyst pointed out that XRP's continuous pattern of higher lows indicates a positive outlook for the coin and suggests an upcoming bullish trend. In this context, a higher low occurs when the lowest price of a specific period is higher than the lowest price of the previous period. This consistent pattern reflects underlying strength, as buyers continue to push the coin's price higher. Despite the decline below the 70 cents price zone after reaching a peak of $0.9398 on July 13, XRP bounced back from that drop and has been consistently recording lows higher than the previous lowest values in the past 4-hour candlesticks. At the time of analysis, XRP's lowest low is at $0.7223, indicating an 8% growth from the low of $0.6686 on July 14. While these higher lows provide positive signals for traders, one aspect that demands attention is XRP's trading volume. The crypto analyst notes that XRP's trading volumes have decreased from the figures observed in the past week. In typical scenarios, significant price actions followed by high trading volumes signal market direction and strong interest from traders and investors. Conversely, a decrease in trading volume during price fluctuations may indicate waning investor interest. On July 13, XRP recorded a 23-month peak trading volume of $10.4 billion, but it has since experienced steady decreases. Despite intermittent spikes on July 16 and July 19, the overall trading volume has declined. In a healthy bullish trend, steadily increasing prices coupled with notable trading volume suggest increased investor interest and participation. However, a decline in trading volume during such a trend might indicate a potential market correction. Predictor advises traders to remain vigilant as long as XRP trades above the key level of 70 cents. Presently, there is no immediate cause for concern, but a decline below this level could trigger a retracement, with the price action testing the 60 cents support level. Xrp New News Update. The broader digital currency ecosystem is currently experiencing a wave of pessimism as several altcoins, including XRP, have seen their positive rallies reverse, leading to significant price declines. At the time of writing, XRP is trading at $0.6912, reflecting a 6.87% drop in the past 24 hours, and its weekly decline stands at 5.77%. The reason behind this recent price plunge is yet to be fully understood, but it is noteworthy that XRP's trading volume has also decreased by 2.05% overnight. The reduced trading volume suggests that bears are actively selling off their holdings, which may lead to a steeper drawdown if there is no immediate market support. However, analysts believe that the current drop in XRP's price may be an overselling situation, given the significant momentum the coin had gained over the past few weeks. The prevailing consensus is that after the bears finish taking their profits, there is a possibility of a revival in XRP's price. Despite the short-term bearish outlook, XRP has still retained a considerable portion of its value, with a 41% gain in the past month and an impressive 103% increase in the year-to-date (YTD) period. These figures highlight the coin's overall positive performance in the medium and long term. The outlook for XRP's imminent recovery is heavily reliant on various factors, but its positive fundamentals appear to outweigh any potentially negative technical indicators. One significant boost for XRP has been the ruling from Judge Annalisa Torres, even though it remains a subject of controversy. This ruling has sparked increased positivity in the market, leading to major exchanges like Coinbase and Kraken relisting XRP, thus allowing investors in the United States to acquire the digital currency. Overall, despite the recent price decline, there is a sense of optimism surrounding XRP's future, backed by its strong fundamentals and recent legal developments that could potentially drive its recovery in the near future. Xrp New News Update. The United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, faced defeat in the Ripple case when U.S. District Judge Annalisa Torres ruled in favor of the firm's XRP sales. This ruling has sparked intense debate, and the SEC has expressed its dissatisfaction by suggesting that the judgment was erroneous. The core of the SEC's discontent appears to stem from what it interprets as baseless requirements introduced by Judge Torres to classify an asset as a security. Judge Torres's perspective indicates that Ripple's sales to institutional investors required SEC oversight, while sales to individual investors via crypto exchanges did not. The SEC contends that reconciling this reasoning with foundational securities laws is challenging. Other defendants, like Daquan of Terraform Labs, are also attempting to use the judgment to counter their SEC charges. Regarding the SEC's appeal against the XRP ruling, opinions are divided. John Deaton, founder of Crypto Law, warns against perceiving the SEC's appeal as an immediate impediment to Ripple's courtroom triumph. He believes that even if an appeal takes place, it could be a lengthy process, spanning years before the Second Circuit issues a decision. Deaton points out that Judge Torres's judgment was focused on the intricacies of the Howey test, which is used to determine the existence of an investment contract during the sale of an asset. She ruled that while many XRP purchasers might have anticipated profit, Ripple's actions did not shape these expectations. Challenging her application of the Howey test would require the SEC to delve into murkier waters, examining aspects like the investment of money and the existence of a common enterprise. While Ripple celebrates its courtroom victory, the company still faces legal hurdles as it was found to have breached the law by directly selling XRP to sophisticated investors. Ripple's CEO, Brad Garlinghouse, has been vocal about the SEC's overreach, claiming that the agency wrongfully designated itself as the cryptocurrency regulatory authority. The outcome of this appeal could have significant implications for the crypto industry, both in the US and globally, as it marks the first instance where a US judge favored a crypto firm, distinguishing certain XRP sales from US securities legislation. The case's developments will be closely watched as they could largely shape the future regulatory landscape for cryptocurrencies. Xrp New News Updates. The number of large whales holding XRP, defined as wallet holders with at least 100 million tokens, has increased to 199, reaching its highest point in almost 3 months. This surge in large XRP holders comes after a landmark ruling in the US that deemed XRP not necessarily a security on its face. On-chain analytics firm Santiment reported the rise in the number of whale wallets holding over 100 million XRP tokens, which is equivalent to over $74 million at the current value of XRP, indicating an accumulation trend in July 2023. The current value of XRP hovers around $0.7387. This trend of accumulation follows a period of selling that saw the number of large XRP investors dip below 200. Santiment's data also shows an increase in the number of active XRP addresses over the last 30 days, rising by over 23%, and by 43% over the past year. These addresses, holding between 100,000 and 100 million XRP tokens, have accumulated around 838 million XRP tokens since May. The positive development for XRP came after the landmark decision in the legal battle between the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, and Ripple. The ruling favored Ripple, leading to several major cryptocurrency trading platforms, such as Crypto.com, Kraken, and Coinbase, relisting XRP, which significantly boosted its liquidity in the market. The surge in XRP's trading volume has surpassed that of Bitcoin, $BTC, with Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, stating that XRP's volume as a percentage of market capitalization is quadruple that of BTC. Analysts have expressed bullish sentiments on XRP following the favorable ruling, with some predicting its price to reach as high as $6. While there may be potential downward adjustments in XRP's price, analysts like Michael van der Popper believe this could set the stage for a bullish resurgence, potentially driving XRP's value to a high of 90 cents after the post-dip rally. Xrp New News Update. Stellar, XLM, a leading cryptocurrency, has been experiencing an impressive upward trajectory, gaining 19.66% in daily appreciation and exhibiting a robust bullish trend in the market. This significant growth has posed a challenge to its long-standing rival, XRP, whose price progression appears relatively static. While the overall crypto market has been oscillating with Bitcoin struggling to hold the $30,000 barrier and aiming to cross the $31,000 threshold, Stellar has been sailing smoothly on a bullish tide. Over the past few weeks, XLM has recorded massive gains, boasting a staggering 105% monthly price increment. Even in the past week alone, XLM has rewarded investors with a sizable 71.60% weekly boost. The bullish momentum has driven Stellar's price from $0.07922 to $0.1787 in a short span. Within the last 7 days, XLM's price has varied between a low of $0.09707 and a high of $0.1788, marking a significant increase of over 67%. On July 20th, Stellar traded at $0.1793, reflecting a 23% 24-hour gain in value. Although there was a minor pullback to $0.1667, still amounting to a 19.66% 24-hour price upswing, the general trend remains positive. This optimism is supported by a surge in trading activity, with a remarkable 270% increase in the 24-hour trading volume, indicating high demand for the token. Data from DeFi Llama shows a rising trend in Stellar's total value locked, TVL, with a 37% increase over the last 7 days and nearly 10% in the past 24 hours. This increase in TVL highlights Stellar's growing popularity, usability, and liquidity in the market. The XLM price chart from TradingView.com depicts Stellar's market position as unequivocally bullish. It is trading above the 50-day and 200-day simple moving averages, presenting both short and long-term bullish signals. The moving average convergence, divergence, MACD, is also positioned above the signal line, accompanied by robust green histogram bars, further confirming the strong bullish trend. The Relative Strength Index, RSI, being above 70 indicates heightened trading activity for XLM, suggesting that the bulls are firmly in control of the market. However, the lateral movement of the RSI graph, edging towards a neutral position, hints at a slight decline in trading activity. If the bulls continue to dominate the market, XLM could potentially experience additional rallies, with a possibility of reaching 20 cents in the near future. However, any bearish interference could trigger a trend reversal. Given Stellar's recent performance and current momentum, the crypto community will be closely monitoring its journey towards the 20 cents mark and potentially beyond. Xrp New News Updates. While Ripple XRP and Stellar XLM have been formidable contenders in the cryptocurrency industry, the joint initiative to integrate with SWIFT, the global financial messaging network, could potentially revolutionize cross-border transactions. The integration with ISO 20022, an internationally recognized standard for data interchange among financial institutions, enhances their appeal and market reach. Ripple's innovative payment solutions have garnered recognition from the Bank of America, which identified Ripple as a potential outlier in payments. This acknowledgement highlights Ripple's unique position and groundbreaking capabilities. The company's recent preliminary approval for the Major Payments Institution license in Singapore further solidifies its growing influence in the Asia-Pacific market. Simultaneously, Stellar has partnered with MoneyGram, a leading global payments firm, to offer financial access to unbanked individuals through their product, MoneyGram Access, leveraging the capabilities of the Stellar network. Ripple aims to streamline cross-border payments with its native cryptocurrency, XRP, and has established trust and credibility in traditional finance through partnerships with prominent banks. On the other hand, Stellar focuses on quick cross-border transactions and bridging the gap between established financial systems and blockchain technology, with its native currency, XLM, facilitating affordable and rapid transactions. With the integration of SWIFT into these platforms, the possibility of near-instant cross-border transactions arises, bypassing delays caused by intermediaries and intricate settlement procedures. This advancement could be a game-changer, benefiting individuals, businesses, and financial institutions by reducing costs and enhancing operational efficiency in the realm of cross-border transactions. AI Precious Metals New News Updates. In midday U.S. trading on Monday, gold and silver prices experienced moderate declines, influenced by the US dollar index's ongoing recovery after reaching a 15-month low last week. The market's attention is currently focused on a significant central bank decision scheduled for midweek. At the time of reporting, August gold was down $4.50 at $1,962, and September silver was down $0.245 at $24.61. This completes the Xrp New News Updates video. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video for more updates and insights into crypto and finance.